Golden vegan hot chocolate recipe. Yield 2 to 3 servings. Prep time 5 minutes. Cook time 5 minutes. Total time 10 minutes. Ingredients: 3 cups 750 milliliters plant milk, 4 soft dates pitted, 3 tablespoons 90 grams cacao powder, 1.5 teaspoons 7.5 grams ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon 5 grams ground turmeric, or more if you prefer. Tiny pinch of ground nutmeg and black pepper helps with the turmeric absorption. Half a teaspoon vanilla extract. Directions: 1. Add all the ingredients to a blender and blend until smooth. 2. Transfer to a medium pot and warm over medium heat until it reaches a simmer. Stir continuously to prevent scorching the milk. Remove from heat and enjoy immediately. Notes: 1. Froth it up. If you like it to be frothy on top, pop it back into the blender for 1 to 2 minutes. 2. No blender? Use an immersion blender instead, or mash the dates with the back of a fork before adding it to the pot. You can also substitute the dates for 2 to 3 tablespoons agave or maple syrup. 3. Storage. You can keep this mix in the fridge, in an airtight jar, for up to 2 days. Did you try this recipe? Let me know how it went. Comment below and share a video your friends. For most informative videos, please subscribe and like our channel.